Hello Alex, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor. I'm presenting a personal video for you for the 2013 Triumph Bonneville, 1,737 kilometers, and the price is $68.88 plus HST and licensing. This motorcycle is not breaking yet. It's still look kind of new. You will have on this motorcycle a brand new front and rear tires. Bike is very clean. And everything from the factory. So the motorcycle is available at this time. If you have some time, if you want to take a look, please come visit our store and we're very happy to assist you. Better off, if you want to secure this motorcycle, please give me a call. My phone number is 905-660-2901, extension 209. On behalf of Boss Motor, thank you for contacting us.